Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and this time round is from Coach. It's one of the limited edition designed for the month of August, because apparently in the Asia culture there's this ancient folk tale about how this special day is a Chinese Valentine's Day. So this edition comes out in pink just for this special day. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's get right into the unboxing. So it comes with this Coach packaging, and actually for me, which I'll insert the video later, but I already took out the ribbons and stuff to look at the things inside and snap some photos. So yeah, it comes in this Coach box, and then when you open it up, in this Coach dust bag as well. So yeah, their dust bag is not what I expected, because usually the one that I brought, like Kenzo, Fula or Prada, it comes in a velvet kind of dust bag, but this is more the plastic kind of like dust bag features. So yeah, let's open it up, and I already took out the text as well. So this is how it looks like. This is their Coach limited edition August one. I'll show you guys a close-up right now so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect if you were to get this bag. So yeah, so this is how it looks like when you arrive. It comes with the whole ribbon and packaging. So when you open it up, it actually looks like this. The retail SA actually tie it really nicely, so I love it a lot. And inside, like I show you, it's just this plastic dust bag with the Coach New York, and inside you have a bag, which I'll show you the detail right now. So yeah, so this is the bag that I gotten in this pink color. That's the reason why I gotten it. I really love the contrasting color. So I'll show you guys the detail right now. So this is how the bag looks like close up. So you have the America's original Coach New York House of Leather. And the reason why I gotten it is because of this monogram design in pink color, which I find really cute. And I always wanted a small mini bucket bag. Like, you know, I really love mini bag. I think it's like the cutest. So I also love that at the bottom it comes with this stanny, so the bottom part will not be scratched and stand perfectly fine on its own like this. And yeah, at the side it has this really cute heart shape. Like I said, it's for the month of Valentine's Day. Coach it says, and here as well it's in pink. I really love these small details, and this thing is adjustable as well. Contrary to popular belief, this bucket bag actually can fit much more than we think inside. It looks really tiny if you see like this, but it's really spacious inside. And at the back it looks like this. I love that it's not all like monochrome design. There's this middle part that actually makes it look more chic and funky. It's adjustable as well. So yeah, I haven't taken out my tag yet. So that's the price point. Let me show you guys. So it's 695 Sing dollar, and inside it comes with these straps as well. I'll show you guys right now. So it comes with these additional straps where you can strap it on, and you can like hold it like a long strap bags if you do want to carry it on your hand, which I don't think I'll use because I prefer it to carry it dainty and cute like this. So let me show you guys the inside as well. The inside looks something like this. It's quite spacious. You can put like your phone, makeup pouch, wallet, and maybe a mini bottle, but I can't fit an iPad for sure. And yeah, inside here it says Coach as well. So yeah, and there's a mini pocket to put your cards or your loose change, which I think it's really nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use it today. And you can even secure it like this, so you go out, you won't be afraid that people will reach in and get your stuff or something like that. So it's really cute and I love it. I'll show you guys how it's like when you wear it. So yeah. So this is how it looks like if you carry it like this, which is very dainty and cute. I will usually carry it like this around, or like this, which is really adorable. So although like this outfit doesn't really match it because it's too flowery, but nevertheless it looks really cute. Let me show you guys. So you can just carry it like a bag, side bag like this. It looks really dainty and cute, or like this. I'll show you guys how to strap it on right now. So with this, you choose to like strap it here, and the other side I strap it around here. So it's in this maroon color, and the texture itself is really thick, kind of like texture, thicker than the material that they use for the bag, which is interesting. So yeah, if you strap it on, it's gonna look something like this. So you can carry it like this bag, like when you are like just tired of carrying it on your hands. I think it can be, I mean, this strap is a bit too thick for my liking, or you can just like strap it like at the side. It's adjustable as well, so if it's too long, you can always adjust it to become shorter. Let me show you guys. If you make it shorter to fit your bum area like how I like it, it's like this. And if you strap it across after making it shorter, it looks something like this. I think it's a very interesting color combination. I think it'd be better if it's in like pink color or white color, so it matches better. Nevertheless, it looks really lovely and cute, and I just love this limited edition Valentine's Day design. So yeah. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you guys think of this limited edition Coach bag. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.